Oduro says de Ghana aye says Ghana aye akobi e pianka wo se ye kope eye dade che dade atare bi na ya hye na so ne nyire mu no enkosi aga na chese ne tintin tetie mu an se ejo nyankopon one bambofo afen su Ghana ye hu ama aposifo aye so mo yin omodwuma aye so mo yin omodwuma wo hwe eye R0bbers ye course ya ono prophet Kofi Oduro no susu pa se eye Ghana ni because wo tie ma ye se alatafo na hwe se ne driving no ne course se ne kwa mfa so kopie eye akramo epie eye motorway so pia shama ya lungu so mo fa ni ade no prophet Kofi Oduro so osusu pa se Ghana ni ba e na na kaka ne ntia wo mutumi fifa afasa ne ma no so ma yentie eye prophet Kofi Oduro wono so na no ye kakra odeban ma yentie mra.
Be careful, be wise, be responsible. Eternal life is not a joke. Somebody died for you to be saved. Yeah. Be careful, be wise. As I'm standing here, if my children smoke weed, if my children go mad, if my children become R0bbers, because we did not teach them what was godly and right. So now we have open air robbery, broad daylight. People can take guns on the streets of Adabraka and go and shoot and collect money. And I want to ask, what do those guys do to keep such amount of money in their home? What do they do? Does GRA know you have kind of money? Yeah, but we be in the table because here beka GRA beko table ne ho sisi akwa. GRA for nankasa sometimes I don't understand them. Obi wo sika said the bootum R0bbers fu ho akwa akwa. GRA didn't see that. And the saddest part, here I want to encourage the Ghana Police Service. We have work to do. You see, the fourth thing I was going to tell you is be vigilant. My heart was broken when I saw the Ghana National Fire Service goes to a fire scene and somebody has a phone filming a Facebook Live. Are you okay? Come on! You don't even have respect for the dead. Which of you wants your father's dead body to be thrown out on the internet? Have you ever seen people in Switzerland or London or in Germany or Holland? Have you ever seen them go to a crime scene and pull up? You are desecrating the evidence. Evidence, no, I will say no. So those boys who did the robbery, the reason why they spilled money into the air is because they wanted to tarnish the evidence. When the people go and collect the money, it will be the fingerprints of the people and not theirs. Criminals are not fools. Criminals are not fools. Question, where did they get AK-47s? How do they own AK-47? Kwasiafu amonyo no mama se tuo de akwa akobobi emmoa atam tuo obi nkoye adwuma nkonya ska. Then you people go get guns and odi ababeji na nkwase life no ababeji na Ghana the omaya ye dwea. Nobody can pull an AK-47 and not be arrested in the next 24 hours. Yen yunintia enyemen na Mira IGP by said you're not me feeling on one. Hey! Said you're not me feeling on. My Jojo Papa no straight up. Oh yeah, no we are free. This man could drive, go around, dealing with criminals. He made the service to know that somebody was in charge. Oh, a charge officer and Ajuabe say, Dr. Dampariya Bawura. What have we done to merit this kind of visit? And the man was a night worker. On what to me Mount Barrier and who was stopping Crawford. Ube Biad, is the Inspector General of Ghana's police. Adeng. This man brought professional policing. Look at the way he has turned the, police headquarters. Go to the police training school and go and see the work this guy. He is a leader. But political interference. That you be as Jano. Sing. Jano saying. Mumma Jumani had been too much. Ghana a junior and Kenya president Nepal and IGP police council and there was one more appointee on my own IGP. Uchimi ya chao. Uchimi ubedem.
Prophet Kofi Oduro says here Ghana ye enti yen hwehwe internal life no eno ehun hia ekwentua makra.